Securing your digital tax footprint. Did you know in 2024, the Internal Revenue Service, IRS, Criminal Investigation Division, recorded over $9.1 billion in tax fraud involving these cyber scams? Handling sensitive financial information on a regular basis requires you to understand the necessity of strong cybersecurity measures to secure your data against these threats. The last thing you want is to be the next headline in a data breach. Fortunately, you have a valuable resource. Your data can be secure thanks to cybersecurity professionals at Cyber Investigation. Stay with us until the end. We will arm you with vital cybersecurity information for the upcoming tax season. Cyber threat intelligence and analysis. Fraudsters are now using deceptive emails to steal sensitive information from tax preparers. Have you ever thought about where they acquire their intelligence and resources? Cyber criminals often use the dark web to share and resell stolen data, tools, and services. Preparation against these threats involves tapping into threat intelligence systems and dark web monitoring. These are powerful allies that will give you real-time insights on potential threats. Furthermore, adding a security information and event management SIM system improves your defense against future data breaches. Implementing methods such as regular audits and a robust incident response plan helps mitigate the damage caused by a breach. The quicker you detect a breach, the better your chance to protect your client's data. Vulnerability assessments and penetration testing. Many organizations struggle to manage security concerns due to limited resources, resulting in an unpatched vulnerability. The good news is that they can be addressed through vulnerability assessments and penetration testing. Start by assessing the scope of your tax-related operations. Identify key systems and tools. Run the scan and collaborate with your IT team to address the vulnerabilities identified in the assessment. For penetration testing, once you define the scope and systems to evaluate, choose the testing method. Most tools offer 3 options. Black box testing. Testers have no prior knowledge of the systems. White box testing. Testers have full access to the systems and source code. Gray box testing. A combination of both methods. Use different techniques to exploit vulnerabilities and document any successful attacks on your system for a remediation report that will help specialists address threats. Vulnerability assessments are broad scans to find potential IT flaws, while penetration testing simulates real-world attacks to test security effectiveness. Additionally, security patches and updates are vital to protecting data. First, establish a patch management program to monitor all systems and software in use. Don't forget to schedule regular updates and scans. To protect data confidentiality, conduct a cloud security test as well. Use cloud-based tools like Azure Security Center. You might also want to hire cloud security experts to perform penetration testing in your cloud environments. Security audits and compliance. Cybersecurity needs to be treated with the same importance as other key business strategies like growth and tech investments. Poor patch management leaves outdated systems vulnerable to hackers. Conducting security audits is essential to ensure compliance with tax regulations and data privacy laws. Secure your network by changing the default SSID and using a strong password. Regularly update software and systems. Consider setting them to update automatically to reduce risks. Limit access to sensitive data to only necessary employees, reducing internal breach risks. Familiarize yourself with legal requirements, create a data retention policy, and maintain a data inventory for effective retention. Incident response and malware analysis. We know that there's a lot to take in, but there's a clear solution to help you manage this effectively. Create an incident response team. You can trust them to coordinate and develop an action plan for potential attacks. This also helps them understand cyber attack purposes and share information with their community to strengthen collective defenses. How to safely remove malware. Use antivirus and anti-malware software to find and fix all instances of malware. If automated tools don't work, manually identify and remove malware by locating suspicious files and processes. Use secure backups to restore data and systems to a safe state. Ensure backups are malware-free. After removal, set up monitoring tools to catch any signs of recurring malware or related activities. Proactive security measures and best practices. Remember, as technology changes, so the methods used by cybercriminals. Being prepared is your best defense to keep your clients' data safe, saving your time, money, and trouble in the long run. Install antivirus and anti-malware software and enable firewalls. Keep your software, especially antivirus and anti-malware, firmware, and operating systems, updated consistently. Use strong and unique passwords for each account. Change default passwords on any connected device to your own. Avoid clicking email links unless you trust the source. Implement a written information security plan, WISP. If you have staff, regularly train them on cybersecurity. Consider monthly or quarterly training sessions to keep everyone informed about the latest threats and prevention methods. If you noticed unauthorized transactions related to tax filings or any inconsistencies in financial records, reach out to Cyber Investigation Inc. We offer valuable expertise and resources to tackle tax scams effectively. Make sure you're subscribed so you don't miss any of our content. See you in the next video.
Please be sure to like this video and subscribe to our channel. We have hours of valuable information covering all things sextortion related. Be the first to know by subscribing today.